Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the basics out of the way fast. Update Warzone Mobile and Google Play services, then free at least 3 GB of storage so installs and caches won't throttle performance. Once done, open Settings and enable developer options to force a 90 to 120 Hz refresh and turn off animations for snappier UI. Make sure Game Mode or a dedicated performance profile is enabled. This gives the CPU and GPU higher priority right away. Next, you dive deeper into both game and system settings. In Warzone Mobile, choose Balanced or Custom Graphics, then cap FPS to your screen's native rate to avoid micro-stutters. Make sure battery is set to performance and disable background sync, auto-updates, and aggressive battery optimizers so the game keeps resources. For networking, connect to 5 GHz Wi-Fi or a stable wired hotspot, and enable any low latency or game boost. To finish, you validate changes with a training match and tweak shadows, textures, and special effects until you consistently hit your target FPS, aiming for 60 or higher. If your phone heats up, use a cooling pad or remove the case to avoid thermal throttling and restart the device after edits. If problems persist, check game logs in Settings, clear app data, then reinstall or roll back to a stable app build. This often resolves crashes or severe lag quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.